Welcome back viewers to my channel Tech Ideas and hope you are fine. In this video I will tell you about a very interesting software that is Designify that you can use to change the background of your videos or any picture. So if you want to change the background of any image, you can just write down Designify on Google and then go to website Designify, and here you can see they are giving you the options upload image. Here you will upload an image that you want to change the background. Here you will click on it, upload image, and I will show you how you can change the background of any picture. So let's start. I have an image of glasses for which I want to change the background. For example, this is the glasses for which I want to change the background. So here the picture will be uploaded, and here you can see it is generating designs, and you can see multiple beautiful designs. If you are going to select an image for e-commerce platform, you can easily select from here that are beautiful and high quality designs images. And for e-commerce basically we use the background white, so here you can easily select high quality image from here. So there are also colored backgrounds and other backgrounds of different colors and different areas. For example, if you want to change the background of any car, you can choose this one, and for many other images you can choose according to your own choice. And here I will show you how you can download this image. Here I will select it, and then simply you can here see the image that you want to download. So if you want to edit it, you can go to edit, and here you will also choose the elements that you want. If you want to add image, you can add here, and if you want to delete this image, you can delete from here, and you can edit different options here. For example, if I want to edit this image, I can change its shadow, style, pixelation, cutout, and extra. I can also send it to backward and send it to forward. So it was simple to edit this image. And then if you want to download it, you will simply go to download, and the image will be stored onto your computer. Here you can see that your image has been converted and the background has been changed white if you want to use it for e-commerce platform. So here you will just copy it, and here you can see that you have found the image with white background. So it was very simple way to change the background. It is high quality image. So I hope you have learned this in this video to change the background of your image. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.